Alright, so welcome to How to Dyno, and today I'm going to go over the AFK command. Now a few users did request this, so I'm just going to take this time to go over the command. It's a fairly simple command, so this should be a pretty quick video. So if you don't know what AFK stands for, first of all, it stands for away from keyboard. It's a way of letting other people know that you are currently not at your PC or whatever you're using. Specifically within Dyno, using the AFK command will just let other people know that you're away. So we do this by giving you a nickname and putting the acronym AFK inside of your nickname. And then whenever a member mentions you, Dyno will go ahead and let that user know that you're away. So in order to use the command, simply run AFK followed by your status or what you want Dyno to say. So if I put AFK bathroom, let's say I want to go away because I need to use the bathroom, I can say AFK bathroom or going to the bathroom, it doesn't matter. And you can use either AFK set or AFK. They're essentially the same command, they do the same thing. So if I say that, then it goes ahead and says I set your AFK bathroom. So now whenever a member mentions me, then will go ahead and let them know that I am AFK. So as you can see, How to Dyno is AFK, and then it states the reason and then gives us when they went AFK. Now in order to come back from AFK, there is a cooldown, so you cannot just say AFK and then come back and start chatting. There is a bit of a cooldown, so I believe it's about 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds I can come back and chat, and Dyno will go ahead and remove my AFK. Now if you noticed earlier, I did say that Dyno will edit your nickname in order to show that you're AFK, but that does not apply to the owner. Dyno simply cannot change the owner's nickname, but all the other users in your server will be able to have their usernames edited as long as Dyno is above their role. So if I were to use my other account and say AFK, so I just ran the command as default. Dyno says I set your AFK as AFK, and then as you can see, I've got this nickname here letting everyone know that I'm AFK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and come back from AFK. But I'm just going to say anything. Dyno welcomes me back and has removed my AFK. When it comes to admins and mods, they do have some more functionality with the command. So admins can actually set AFK ignores channels where members can come and chat and Dyno will not remove their AFK. So if I were to set the logs channel, for example, that's an AFK ignore channel, users that go AFK in public here can then go ahead and chat in logs and keep their AFK status until they go back to a channel that isn't in the ignored list. Admins can also reset the AFK status message of a member. So say if they have something inappropriate, I can go ahead and run AFK reset and then mention the user who I want to reset. Since Tesla is already using the default, this isn't going to do much, but there we go. Dyno would go ahead and reset it. So if I had put bathroom, for example, for Tesla, all this would do is just reset it to this AFK right there. And then if you'd like to force someone out of an AFK, admins has access to the AFK clear command. So if I go ahead and run that on this user, Dyno went ahead and cleared their status, so they're no longer AFK and Dyno has removed. Now this is only for admins, regular users cannot use this on each other. And then finally we have an AFK list command. So if I just go ahead and go back into AFK, I can go ahead and list the members who are currently AFK. So we have Tesla here, and as you can see, we don't have a status message because we're using the default status message, which is just AFK. So that's pretty much the AFK command. Once again, owners of a server, they do not get their nickname changed. That's the only exception with this command. All other users that are below the Dyno role can get their nicknames changed, as long as Dyno has the permission to do so and that the Dyno role is above their roles. So that is the AFK command. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.